Welcome to the Python programming course. In this course, we'll begin with basic input and output, focusing on how to gather user input and display information. We'll then dive into data types and structures, covering essential data types like lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. Next, we'll explore control flow in Python, including conditional statements and loops, and how to handle errors with exception handling. Our journey continues with functions and functional programming, where you'll learn to define functions, use Lambda functions, and create comprehensions to efficiently manage data. We'll cover file and data operations, including how to handle files, work with JSON, and perform data analysis with pandas. Moving forward, we will delve into object-oriented programming, learning about classes, inheritance, and core OOP principles. Advanced topics such as generators, decorators, context managers, and recursion will enhance your coding skills further. You'll also gain proficiency in libraries and tools, including NumPy for numerical operations, Matplotlib for data visualization, and regular expressions for pattern matching. We'll explore web and GUI development, touching on web scraping, web application development, and building simple GUIs with tkinter. Additionally, we will cover testing and optimization techniques to ensure code quality and performance. Finally, we'll look into concurrency and networking basics, including handling multiple threads and understanding simple network communication. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped with a comprehensive skill set in Python programming. Let's get started. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Visit our site and take your coding dreams to new heights.